Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be making this delicious bitter leaf soup, which my language people, the Yoruba people, called Obe Ewuro. And these are the ingredients which I am going to be using to prepare this bitter leaf soup. Washed bitter leaves, peppers and onion, smoked fish, and I'm going to use this lime to wash the fish very well in order to get rid of all the dirt. Crayfish, achi powder, and if you don't have achi powder, you can make use of cocoyam powder. This is the pepper and onion paste. So now I'm taking about 5 to 6 tablespoons of palm oil, adding it to the achi powder in order to create a smooth paste. This achi powder is used as a thickener. Here is the paste. Set the pot on the stove, add your desired amount of water to it, and add palm oil, just a little bit of palm oil, then add the pepper paste to it. Then I'm going to add the seasoning cube, and I'm making use of 2 chicken seasoning cubes and 1 beef cube. Now when it begins to boil, you can add the achi paste or the cocoyam powder. Give it a stir, cover it up, and allow it to cook for about a minute. Now it's time for me to add the fish, and it is not compulsory you use this type of fish. You can use a fresh fish or assorted meat. Any of your choice is good. So I'm giving it a little stir, then I'm adding just a little bit of salt. Now I'm adding the bitter leaves together with the crayfish. You can use blended crayfish if you want, it's your choice. So after that, I'm going to give it a stir, cover it up, and allow this to cook for about 2 minutes. And after that, the bitter leaf soup is ready. You can serve it with semo or wheat or even eba, or you can just eat it like that. It's your choice. And as you can see, this soup is ready to be served. It looks so yummy. If you like this video, please click the like button, and if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.